Hi, I came to Azman Eye Care as a recommendation from a radio station, and so I came here and not knowing what to expect, but I was experiencing dry eye, and I thought, what better place to come than a dry eye specialist? And I came with not knowing what to expect, but my symptoms were very heavy eyes, very bloodshot eyes, and I started putting eye drops in every day to make my eyes clearer, which didn't last very long. So I needed to seek treatment. So I came in, and Dr. Azman did a fantastic job with getting to the root of the problem. And since we have done I did a little bit of work with getting to the glands on my eyelids and cleaning that out. After about 2 days afterwards, and using a little bit of prescription drops and some eye wash and some heat pad on my eyes, I have felt almost 100% improvement, and probably 100% improvement. I've not had to use eye drops since I started coming here. My eyes are white and clear and feel very, very healthy and fresh and rejuvenated. And I'm so happy I made the choice to come here. And I recommend coming here for treatment if you are experiencing the same symptoms that I had.